Homework for 1/22/15, Thursday. Last homework assignment of the week. Today you're going to do two things again. You're going to do a worksheet that looks like this one, which you should already have, but you're also going to do two things that are additional, and you need to listen for a minute. Don't turn the video off yet. The first thing you're going to do that's additional to this worksheet is, it never asks you to do this, but I want you to draw the next two figures in this pattern. So they give you 1, they give you 2, and they give you 3. I want to see your drawing of step 4 and step 5. And the second thing you're going to do is solve some inequalities again. And you'll do that on the back of this worksheet. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is go ahead and try to do this worksheet. So you're going to now shut the video off, try it on your own, don't forget to draw the next two figures, and then turn the video back on and check and see how you did. Okay, so before I fill in the table, I'm supposed to draw the next two figures in the pattern. And I noticed that on step 2, there's 2 in the bottom row, and then a 1. And on step 3, there's 3, which is the same as the step number, and then 2, and then 1. So I think on step 4 it'll be 4, 3, 2, and then 1. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Boy, that's a horrible drawing. That's not 2. There we go. And 1. 1. And I think on 5 it would be 5 on the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2, and then 1. My step 5 looks a little better. So this is 4, and this is 5. You should have both of these on your paper because I asked you to do that. Now I have to answer the questions, so let's go back. And actually, let me just get the table here. So the table goes step number, I'm going to call that S number, and it goes number, oops, of balls. Okay, and we went 1, 1, and it was 2, 3, and it's 3, 6. Alright, so let's look at 4 real fast. So 4 goes 4 plus 3, which is 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4, 10. And let's look at 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I'm looking to see what's happening. Well, from 1 to 3 is 2, from 3 to 6 is 3, and then 4, and then from 10 to 15, that would be 5. So what I think it's doing is it's not linear. Instead, it's just adding one more every time. So 6, since the last one added 5, so 6 will add 6 to 15, and 15 plus 6 is 21. And 7 will add 7, and 21 and 7 is 28. And then 8 will add 8. Hey, look at that. The figure number matches how much they add every time, too. So here it added 3. Here it added 4. So 8 will add 8, and 28 plus 8 is 28, 36. So there's my table. And now, I know this is not going to be a linear graph. I have to choose which one it fits. Take a So I know for sure that it isn't linear. I also know that as the step number increases, the number of golf balls increases. It's not decreasing, so it couldn't possibly be this, and it couldn't possibly be this. So I can just kind of get rid of those right away. And I already explained why. It's because it's not decreasing. You need to write something that shows that. Neither one of those are decreasing. Now this one makes it look like it's linear. It's adding a constant amount every time, but it wasn't adding a constant amount every time. It added 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then from 6 and then 7 and then 8. Okay, so it's not linear. So I'm going to write not linear, which means it has to be that one. Now, the next part of your homework is that we're going to do a couple of inequalities. I'm going to make them really easy tonight. I really want you to check your answers, and I want you to make sure you do these on your own. So the first one will be 3 times the quantity x minus 9 is less than or equal to 30. Shut the video off. Don't forget you need a number line. Shut the video off and do it on your own. Okay, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Less than or equal to 30. We need the variable by itself. Always get rid of addition or subtraction first. So the 27s cancel out. 30 plus 27, because the opposite of negative 27 is positive 27. That's how I got rid of this, is 57. So now, how do we get rid of that 3? Well, that 3 is multiplication, and you get rid of multiplication by the opposite operation of division. So now you're going to do 3 divided by 3 and 57 divided by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and 57 divided by 3 is 19. So x is less than or equal to 19. We put our number line on there. You should know that you have 3 numbers you need. 19, 1 more, 1 less. And this reads is less than or equal to 19. Less than 19 is to the left. 1 more. Let's go 12 times x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 20. Don't forget your number line. Shut the video off now and do it on your own. Okay, 12 times x is 12x. 12 times 3 is 36. Is greater than or equal to 10. Oops, that's not a 10, that's a 20. Okay, we need the variable by itself. We always get rid of addition and subtraction first, and then multiplication or division. So subtract 36, because 36 and negative 36 zero out. And 20 on the right side minus 36 is going to be negative 16. Don't forget to drop your sign down. Of course, this zeroes out because positive 36 and negative 36. And this is 12x. Divide by 12. Divide by 12. X. Now 12 can go into 16 once. It's negative, with 4 twelfths left over, and 4 twelfths will simplify to 1/3. So x is greater than or equal to negative 1/3. I have to do a number line. with something greater and something less. I'm going to count by negative 1 and 1/3. I'm going to make this negative 1 and 2/3. I'm going to make this negative 1. I counted by 1/3 for this. So negative 1 is a little bigger, and negative 1 and 2/3 is a little less. And the graph should be greater than or equal to, well, the numbers that are greater than or equal to the right. You're done with homework for the weekend. Congratulations.